Welcome to UC secondary students. In the last period, we have understood about the budget side. Today, let us study the budget line. Today, we shall study about the budget line. What is budget line, or what do you mean by budget line? Today we have to understand the meaning of budget line and how the consumers choose the bundles with his limited income. How he consumes his entire income on two goods, namely X1 and X2, or mango and banana. Its price is, each of the commodity is 5 rupees, and how much he consumes, how much he buys mangoes within 20 rupees, how much he buys banana with his income. And today we shall understand the clear meaning of budget line and with the help of the diagram. First of all, we have to clear the meaning of budget line. The budget line is a locus of different combinations. The budget line is locus of different combinations of the two goods which the consumer consumes and which cost exactly his income. The cost is exactly his income. Once again, the budget line is the locus of all different combinations of the two goods which the consumer consumes and which cost exactly his income is called as the budget line. Budget line. Suppose a consumer has of an income of Rs 20 rupees. The consumer has income of Rs 20 rupees. With the 20 rupees, he has to buy two goods, namely mango and banana, or X1 and X2. Suppose a consumer has income of Rs 20 and he wants to spend it on two commodities, banana X1, mango X2. Both are priced at 5 rupees. Each of the commodity is Rs 5 rupees. 5 rupees. Now the consumer has three options. To spend the entire income. To spend his entire income on these two commodities like banana and mango, means X1 and X2. What are these three options? One option is that buy 4 units of banana, let X1. The consumer can buy 4 units of banana X1. The consumer can buy 4 units of banana. It let X1. Its price is 5. How much he buys? He can buy 4 banana. He can buy 4 banana is equal to 5 rupees Rs, 4 units of banana. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. He can choose this offer. means he can buy 4 units of banana, and he spend his entire income on the to buy banana of price 20 rupees. The second option is that, second offer is that the consumer can buy 4 units of mango. The consumer can buy 4 units of mango, that is X2. That is X2. The each of the mango, each price is 5, and the units of mango is 4. This is also 5 into 4 is equal to 20. He can offer this bundle. He can buy this bundle. And another one option is buying 2 units of banana, that is X1. That is X1. Each per banana is 5, and he buys 2 units. He buys 2 units. 2 units of banana. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. And 2 units of mango, that is X2. That is X2. That is also X2. The mango's price is per unit of 5 rupees. Price is 5. 2 units of mango, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. This offer can be, consumer can offer, or he can choose. It means that the possible bundles can be 40. Possible bundle can be 40, means X1 5 into 4 is equal to 20. X2 4 means 5 into 4 is equal to 20, or X1 2, X2 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 is equal to 2 into 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So he can offer these bundles. When all these bundles are represented graphically, we get a downward sloping straight line. When all these 3 bundles are represented graphically, we get a downward sloping straight line. It is known as budget line. It is known as budget line or price line. It is known as budget line or price line. The budget line is also called as the budget constraint. The budget line is also called as a budget constraint. The slope of the budget line measures the amount of change in mangoes. The slope of the horizontal lines measures banana, and the vertical lines measures the mango. This is the price line, budget line, or it is also called as a budget constraint. It slopes downwards from left to right. The slope of the budget line measures the amount of change in mango. The amount of change in mango required to per unit of change in banana along the budget line. Consider any 2 points X1 and X2. X1 and X2. And X1 plus delta X1. Delta X1 plus delta X1. X2 plus delta X2. X2 plus delta X2 on the budget line. It must be the case that how the budget line should be, or how the budget line must be. it must be the case that P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. M means money. P1 x1, P1 x1. X1 means the units of mango. X2 means the units of banana. P2 P1 means the prices of x1 and P2 means prices of x2. M is equal to M. E is equal to M. N means the P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆಯು ಮತ್ತು x1 ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆಯು ಮತ್ತು x2 ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬೆಲೆಯು ಈ ಆದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮವಾಗಿರುತ್ತವೆ. The price of x1 and price of x2 is equal to income. P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. And P1 into bracket x1 plus delta x1 means change in mangoes or banana. P1 into bracket x1 plus delta x1 into bracket plus P2 into bracket x2 plus delta x2 is equal to M. Subtracting from above formula, we obtained P1 delta x1 plus P2 delta x2 is equal to 0. Subtracting from above formula, we obtain P1 is the price 1 delta x1 when change in x1 plus P2 the price of x2 delta x2 means change in x2 is equal to 0. Now we can say with the help of diagram how the budget lines slopes downwards from left to right. The slope of the budget line can be represented in the following diagram. The OS horizontal lines measures the banana and Y vertical lines measures the mango. This is the slope of the budget line. The absolute value of the slope of a budget line measures the rate of which the consumer is able to substitute the banana for the mango. The absolute or the budget line measures the rate of which consumer is able to substitute the banana for mango. When thus he spent his entire income on his goods. This is called a budget line. This is called as a budget line. This is called as a budget line. You have to remember it and try to understand and remember still examination. And I hope you will write the meaning of budget set and the meaning of budget line and explain how the question will be arise. In case of budget set, briefly explain the budget set with the help of a diagram, or in case of budget line, the question will be arise, explain the derivation of slope of the budget line with the help of a diagram. We have to answer for these questions. You keep remember and write for examples how consumer consumes his entire income on the two goods means x1 and x2. You have to write the formula for this and draw the diagram like this. You keep the formula and the algebraical distance. Thank you.